Oh, he's an idiot.
That's possible.
An accident North Lake Road, Milledgeville Road, and also 15th Street and Hope Avenue near downtown. Buckle up and drive safely. The WGAC. It's a great example of somebody that is from the area who's given a very important political position, and he may just end up being one of the architects of the ruination.
That's a serious boot, whatever the thing that the guy has on his foot there.
The potato harvest has diminished the nation's supply. Fortunately, we Americans are prepared by stockpiling French fries in our
first I'm like, what the
abundance
hell?
for years.
Whoa.
And here's the tragic thing: we could have.
Gee, lady, how about pull into a parking spot?
Amy Wilson, whoever said, "I'll just have one of your fries," was telling the truth.
That's so Americans have a shortage.
How does she even think that makes any damn sense in a place where you know it's busy? And there's parking spot. There's a parking spot. There's a parking spot.
Save 40 to 50% on coats for the whole family and get the perfect sparkly surprise with 15 to 50% off fine jewelry.
Really?
And 20% off Bulova and Seiko watches.
Check out our contest page at WBBQ.com. Here's CeeLo Green on your home drive. It's in the CSRA.
Over the years, from time to time, an aspiring competitor would pop up and try to compete with a taser.
It's your turn to go!
Always the same. It suited them, and they went out.
On Saturday evening, and you're tuned to GPB Radio. I'm Taylor Gant. Just off the radar is...
So Gail and I go back. Oh, I'm sorry. He's taking it. He's recording this file. Stock exchange. Anyway, what Gail and I grew up doing.
Wonderful Christmas time.
Born 1959. Album this is?
Donnie McClurkin and the Good. We got spots here.
Oh, and there's...
Your destination is on the left.
Tesla only. Both of them, it looks like.
Yeah.
Damn, lady, are you nuts?
What was she doing?
She was getting ready to back into us again. Right? like fellow there is real happy. He's smiling and laughing in that store the whole time.
Yeah, I saw that.
You can go now.
This one contains probiotic cultures.
Oh, tailgater. Fast food. I'm not in the mood for anything fancy. Come on, dude, wake up.
With supplies delivered to your door and personal health coaching, one drop is helpful.
Oh, that's pretty slick. Yeah, someone's bringing mac and cheese. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. She doesn't seem concerned about it.
Couple degrees, so to speak, in 13 minutes. Whoa. They're a lot braver than I am. Oh, come on! Stupid!
Take exit 7. In a quarter mile, keep left at the fork to continue toward US 25 South, Peach Orchard Road. Keep left at the fork.
Exit right from the left lane. Oh man, on the exit we got some guy in a white truck who is blocking the right lane. We can't leave because he's blocking it because he decided at the last moment that he's going to turn left.
Oh, he's an idiot.
That's possible.
How do we get this to others? They want this to go to the world. So we've told them, if you want this around the world, you're going to have to help us. And so when people buy it,
but of course, all that's always tastes better too after it sits for a couple hours, and then it might taste better now. What did you just throw cheap Cheetos in last night, or you just ate them for free?
We also have Publix delivery powered by Instacart. You may call it playing a racing game with my little boy instead of actually battling traffic.
Guys, waking up over and over to pee is not okay. You can reduce those.
Well, it's better than not waking up to pee.
Ingredients in super beta prostate.
Well, that doesn't happen very often. I passed a driver that was going just slightly slower than me, and I didn't have to speed up to pass her. So what's he going to do when it starts to rain? What's that all about?
his three oldest children, Ivanka Don Jr. and Eric as well. But the central case
Ivanka Don Jr.?
Yeah, I know, that's what it sounded like.
Financial records from Ivanka Don Jr. and Ivanka Don Jr. and
African American in the community, right?
Yeah, that means you're 30% over.
Right. So I was just making sure that we had our numbers correct.
National.
We'll turn to day where the soul of man never dies. Dear friends, there'll be no sad.
Yellow. Red. Red light runner.
All alone in my dreams all alone.
Nothing but the blood of Jesus. This is all my righteousness. Nothing
Don't even look. Don't even stop. Well, that accomplished a lot.
7 days a week in Evans, across from Walmart.
You know, people say lefties or
actually, it accomplished absolutely nothing.
Believe they're right. We're different in the way we quote, install, and service.
Nobody likes dealing with ED. Now, thanks to HIMS, nobody has to. And that's really good news. To start your free online visit, you need to go to...
Oh, doo-doo.